Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural. Make your skin tight, skin fine. Make your skin so natural, skin fly. Make your skin day spotless, skin nice. Make your pure bliss, very cool like a nice.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make Egyptian body milk. This is my workstation. I'll be needing a way to weigh in my ingredients, my mixing bowl, which I already sterilized for this process. You will need a spoon, a mixer, and also my ingredients which I'll be mixing in today. This is Promixing, guys. I have a part of this organic and the other part is Promixing of already made ingredients. So guys, this is my base cream. I made this base cream myself. I will be doing a video very soon on this channel showing you how you could formulate your base from the scratch. So guys, I'm just going to be turning my organic base cream into my mixing bowl. This recipe is a very beautiful one. Trust me guys, this combo of organic and promixing method is a method I've been using for some time now, and I've been getting so many good reviews. Here is my Egyptian body milk. I'm going to be turning 100 ml of Egyptian body milk into the mixture. This Egyptian body milk is very good for dry skin and combination skin type. I have here 2 tablespoons, 1 each of glutathione powder and snow white powder, mixed in with my whitening glycerin. I'm also going to be scooping that into my mixing bowl. Stir everything in. You can see guys, this is advantage of making your own base from the scratch. You have a very thick consistency, a very beautiful consistency to work with, and you'll be rest assured that your clients, or if you're using this on your own skin, you are free from irritations, knuckles, and other skin reactions. This is skin-free milk. I'm going to be adding 100 ml of skin-free milk into the mixture. This will help lighten, brighten the skin and give your skin that glow. So guys, measuring your ingredients in is very important. I've used 200 ml of my base cream. If you are using 500 ml, then you go with you double the ingredients that will go in there. Be careful not to add too many oils in your mixture. If you're working with a lighter base, if you're working with a base cream that is not so thick like the one I'm working with, then I would advise you to add more base. You can add more base cream. So this is AHA. I'll be using 90% of AHA. This can also serve as your sunscreen. This is very, very good for the skin. I'll be adding in half tablespoon of my AHA serum into the mixture. This AHA contains vitamin A and E, which also contains antioxidants, which is very, very good for your skin. It will help protect your skin from sun damages. You could also add 1 full tablespoon of your AHA serum if you desire. So guys, here is my Kenako oil. I'll be adding in half tablespoon of Kenako oil into the mixture. This can help to lighten your skin. It is an anti-stretch mark, anti-reaction oil. is 7 days whitening serum. I'll also be adding in extra whitening serum, half tablespoon into this mixture. You could supplement this with any other whitening serum of your choice. So in Promixing, to make your skin pop up, we need a lot of whitening serums, essential oils in our mixture. I'm just going to be adding a little bit, a half tablespoon of Gluta-C whitening serum into my mixture. This serum is a very good serum. It will lighten and brighten your skin without any issues. Then I'll be adding in my alpha arbutin powder. This is in capsule form. Just 1 alpha arbutin powder into this mixture. I never fail to emphasize working in a very sterilized environment. Wash your hands, sterilize your hands, make sure all the instruments that are being used to premix are being sterilized before you start mixing your cream. This is very important in order for your cream or mixtures you make not to change color or change smell. I have been in Promixing for some time now and I've never experienced my creams going dark or changing smell. Of course, you should add your preservative. You could also add your fragrance, that is optional. Here I have my rescue oil. This is a very good oil. This will help give your skin a glow. It will help take care of any skin reactions, black spots, white spots, and even eczema caused by reaction from harsh creams with hydroquinone or other steroids. This will do the job. After adding all my oils into my mixing bowl, I'm going to be stirring this. Preferably, I'll be using my mixer to mix this in, giving it a smoother consistency. I'm just going to be mixing this quickly. Not forgetting my preservative. This is Gamma Plus. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of Gamma Plus as my preservative into the mixture. There are so many other lotions preservative in the market, and ensure you're buying the originals. There are many fakes out there, guys. So mix it all in. This is the consistency you will get if your ingredients are measured incorrectly. You get a creamy consistency like this. But do not worry if you get a watery consistency. Just add more base. Add more of your base cream to thicken it up a little. So this is it, guys. This is Egyptian body milk. This is good for dry skin. If you have combination skin, this is also good for you. And if you want to lighten and brighten your skin without issues, without having knuckles, eczema, those white dots, black spots, reaction from harsh chemical creams, try this out and it will beautify your skin and make your skin look like custard. So guys, as always, my sterilized bottle, I'm going to be using 500 ml of my lotion bottle. You can try this method, guys. I got this set of a bag and this little red button in the €1 stores. It's used for icing cake. You could also use this for transferring your lotion from your mixing bowl into your lotion bottle. I find it very effective. It's also very quick and less messy. So guys, if you're looking to go 2 to 3 shades lighter, it is very important that you combine this lotion with a very active soap, and do not forget to scrub. A lot of people forget to scrub. If you want your lotions to work effectively, you have to scrub your skin 3 to 4 times in a week. You can make your own body scrub at home. Watch my video to see how you can make your own body scrub at home. You can make an easy sugar or salt body scrub with lightening serums and essential oils. Use 3 to 4 times weekly. Apply this body milk generously on your skin, and you will start to notice a drastic change. So guys, feel free to contact me on my Instagram page. Inbox me privately and I'll be available to answer your questions. I want to say a big thank you once more to all my subscribers, all my lovers out there, all my teachers, all my motivators. I love you guys so much. So guys, try this recipe at home and thank me later.
Pure bliss, so natural. Everything cool and it ain't natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Pure bliss, very nice and so natural.